Thanks for tuning into Jupiter's universe. We would like to talk about Elon Musk, SpaceX, Mars mission colonizing Mars, and some of the possible events in the not-too-distant future in the way of theoretical propulsion systems and traveling to Alpha Centauri. The genesis. In the year 2030, Elon Musk unveiled the Interplanetary Transport System, ITS, a colossal rocket standing over 200 feet tall. Its purpose? To ferry humans to Mars. The world watched in awe as the first ITS prototype roared to life, its 39-foot wide booster generating a staggering 28 million pounds of thrust. Musk's vision was clear: humanity would become a multiplanetary species. Chapter 2, The Martian Odyssey. The mid-2020s marked the beginning of Musk's Martian Odyssey. The ITS spacecraft, loaded with astronauts, soared toward the rusty red planet. But this was no ordinary journey. In Earth's orbit, the spaceship refueled with methane and oxygen, preparing for the long haul. The voyage took 80 days, and the pioneers marveled at the distant crimson orb growing larger in their viewport. Chapter 3, The Martian Frontier. Upon landing, the Martian pioneers faced an unforgiving landscape. Dust storms swept across the plains, and the thin atmosphere whispered secrets of ancient rivers and vanished oceans. Musk's team worked tirelessly, constructing domed habitats and underground tunnels. They mined Martian ice for water and harnessed solar energy to power their new home. Chapter 4, The Millionth Martian. As decades passed, Musk's dream materialized. The colony grew, first hundreds, then thousands. Families raised children under the alien sky, and schools taught Martian history alongside Earth's. The millionth Martian was born, a child who would never know Earth's embrace but would inherit the legacy of a species unshackled from its cradle. Chapter 5, The Cosmic Tapestry. Elon Musk, now an old man, stood atop Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system. From this vantage point, he gazed at the twinkling stars and pondered humanity's destiny. Mars had become a thriving hub, a stepping stone to the cosmos. The ITS fleet shuttled between planets, and Musk's vision extended beyond Mars. The Milky Way beckoned. And so, in the year 2060, as Earth's last sunset dipped below the horizon, Musk whispered to the Martian winds, "We are stardust, bound for infinity." In the not-so-distant future, when humanity had already conquered Mars and established lunar colonies, Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur, set his sights on a new frontier, the stars. His SpaceX empire had revolutionized space travel, but Musk hungered for more, a leap beyond the confines of our solar system. It began with whispers in the corridors of SpaceX headquarters. Engineers huddled in secret, their whiteboards adorned with arcane symbols and equations. They called it Project Odyssey, a nod to Homer's epic tales of adventure. But this was no mere odyssey, it was a quest to bend the fabric of reality itself. The warp drive initiative emerged from Musk's restless mind. He envisioned a propulsion system that would defy Einstein's cosmic speed limit, a way to traverse the vast gulfs between stars in the blink of an eye. And so, fueled by equal parts ambition and madness, Musk assembled a team of maverick scientists, quantum theorists, and renegade engineers. The blueprint. The heart of the warp drive lay in its core, a quantum singularity generator. Musk's team theorized that by manipulating the very essence of spacetime, they could create a bubble, a warp field, that would envelop their starship. Within this bubble, the laws of physics would bow to their will. Negative energy matrix. The key was negative energy, a paradoxical substance that defied conventional physics. The warp drive required copious amounts of it. Musk's solution? Harvesting it from cosmic anomalies, black holes, pulsars, and the remnants of collapsed stars. The ship's hull bristled with collectors, siphoning negative energy from the cosmic abyss. Exotic matter stabilizers. Exotic matter, another enigma, was essential. It possessed negative mass, repelling normal matter. Musk's engineers synthesized it in clandestine labs, shielding it within the ship's core. Exotic matter stabilized the warp field, preventing it from collapsing into oblivion. Quantum entanglement thrusters. Traditional rockets were obsolete. Musk's starship relied on quantum entanglement, the eerie connection between particles separated by vast distances. The thrusters manipulated entangled pairs, propelling the ship forward without propellant. It was as if the universe itself pushed them onward. The maiden voyage. On a moonless night, the Starship Odyssey stood poised on the launch pad. Its sleek hull shimmered with iridescence, an otherworldly fusion of carbon nanotubes and metamaterials. Musk, clad in a spacesuit adorned with Tesla logos, addressed the crew. Today, he declared, we transcend the mundane. Our destination: Alpha Centauri, a mere 4.37 light-years away. Prepare for warp. The countdown echoed across the desert. The warp drive hummed, its negative energy matrix pulsating. Exotic matter danced within containment fields. The quantum entanglement thrusters glowed like celestial fireflies. Engage, Musk commanded. And the universe quivered. The cosmic symphony inside the warp bubble, time warped. Stars streaked past, pinpricks of brilliance. The crew marveled at constellations rearranging themselves, galaxies folding like origami. Musk, strapped to his command chair, grinned like a cosmic trickster. We ride the strings of creation, he whispered. Days blurred into seconds. Alpha Centauri loomed, a binary star system, its twin suns dancing. The Odyssey decelerated, its warp field dissipating. The crew emerged, blinking at the alien sky. Elon Musk stepped onto the alien soil, a pioneer, a dreamer, a madman. He gazed at Earth, a distant blue dot, and knew he'd birthed a new era. The warp drive wasn't just propulsion, it was destiny. As the Odyssey's engines cooled, Musk vowed, next stop, Andromeda. And the stars whispered their approval.